Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove Nissan Frontier headlight. Begin by parking on level ground, engaging the parking brake, and disconnecting the negative battery terminal to avoid shorts. Next, gather a socket set, trim tools, gloves, and a flashlight. Work in a well-lit area and protect painted surfaces with tape. Take photos of connector positions to ease reassembly and keep all fasteners organized in a labeled tray. With tools ready, remove the fasteners and clips holding the bumper or grille where required to reach the headlight. Gently lift or shift the bumper to create clearance, avoiding force that could crack tabs. Identify the headlight mounting bolts and remove them using the correct socket, keeping bolts in order. Support the headlight assembly as you loosen the last bolt to prevent it from dropping and damaging the lens or wiring harness. Once bolts are removed, unplug the headlight electrical connectors by depressing their release tabs and pulling them straight out. Check for any retaining clips or small brackets and remove them to free the assembly. Carefully lift the headlight out of the fender opening while supporting its weight to avoid strain on wiring or tabs. If bulbs need transfer, remove them now and replace seals if worn, then set the assembly on a soft surface to prevent scratches.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.